Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download photos on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any browser on your PC and go to the official site of AOL Mail. After you go to AOL Mail, make sure that you are logged into your account. If not, you can log into your account. Then what you need to do is find a mail. So you can see that there is a mail over here and it contains some photos. Now to download the photos, you can hover around the photos which are over here and you can see the download option. Just hover around these photos and you can see download. Go ahead and click download, which is over here. So you can also view this on full and you can see download over here as well. Go ahead and click download and it will be downloaded on your PC shortly. So you can see that it has been downloaded. If you want to see some of the photos which you have saved on your AOL Mail, on the left hand side right below the views you can see photos. If this views is hidden, just go ahead and click on show, which is over here, and go to photos. After you go to photos, you can see some of the photos which are already there. So these are all of the photos which you had previously saved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.